enjoying the content so far as much as I enjoy making these videos. Now, as you saw, that was me washing the car, obviously, and I really enjoy making these videos and would like to see more people view them, but also I want your feedback. I'm open to feedback. I get there's going to be a little bit of criticism or hate, but I want to see what you guys are thinking of the editing and the videos. Hope you all are enjoying, like I said, again, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.